The advantage of the book is that it covers a period of legal development and excitement in our country from the 1980s through to the first decade of the 21st century. And it covers every major area of the law in Australia, and not only my own opinions, but the opinions of other justices of the High Court or of the Court of Appeal. So it's a sort of microcosm of our law, of the debates, of the controversies, of the disagreements and the agreements in the law. And I think it's a good read, and it gives an insight to the law as we have lived it in Australia over the last 30 or so years. In the old days, the bad old days, you had to go searching for cases and for statutes, and often the case books were out of date, the reporting was slow, the statutes were covered in cobwebs, and they were completely unavailable in recently enacted statutes, so that now all of this is virtually instantaneous, and that's actually a wonderful thing for access to the law. The law doesn't belong to lawyers or judges, legal academics, or even to law companies. It belongs to the people. And the great wonder of the new technology is that this is making access to the law available to the citizens right throughout the world. And because we in Australia are part of a common law family and share the same way of approaching, expressing and conceptualising the law with countries from Guyana to India to Bangladesh to the Fiji Islands, it's a great family of law which we can share with other countries and learn from other countries. And that is the excitement of being a lawyer today, and it's available online close to you. You can carry it anywhere. Availability, you can have it with you in court. You can have it with you in the bathroom. You can take it anywhere, and it's available immediately. Access online throughout the world, ease of reading. It's become easier to read screens, even for old fossils like me. The backlighting is improved, and eBooks are now available in a way and in a format which is so much more attractive. Books are lovely, and I'll never attack books, but the new facilities online are the way of the future, and this is what we've all got to get used to, even ex-judges of the High Court. I like to stay in touch with all areas of the law, but if I have special areas, they would be constitutional law, which of course is the most important work of the High Court of Australia, and in which I spent a lot of time working on the Constitution. Public law, areas of judicial review and administrative law, but also interpretation of statutes, interpretation of the Constitution itself, interpretation of wills and contracts, and trying to see the commonalities of the principles that are being applied by the courts and by practitioners. So all areas of the law are interesting to me, but they would be, when I get something in that area, my heart leaps up, and I'm happy to be again looking at the detail of the law.